Welcome to Mabel Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mabel Daily English.
Hey everyone, so great to be here with you today.
I am Mabel, your host, and today I have David with me. David, how are you?
I am great, and I have a story for you, Mabel.
Ooh, a story. Tell me everything.
Okay, so last night I wanted to study English grammar.
Good. Very responsible.
I opened a grammar book, page 1, and the first thing I saw, 16 tenses.
16?
16! I stared at that page for 5 minutes, then I closed the book. Then I made a snack.
You closed the book and made a snack? I completely understand.
The snack was more useful than the grammar book.
David, I have very good news for you.
Please, I need good news.
You do not need 16 tenses, not even close.
I don't?
Emphatically, for everyday speaking, talking with friends, ordering food, sharing stories, you only need 3.
3 out of 16?
3. And today we are going to learn all 3 together.
So I closed that book for nothing. 3 was the answer all along.
But the snack was probably still good.
The snack was excellent. Okay, I am ready. Let's learn 3 tenses.
Okay, before we start, David, what do you think a tense is?
Something to do with time?
Exactly right. A tense is how we show time in English.
Show time? What do you mean?
Okay, close your eyes. Imagine a photo album.
Okay. A photo album.
Every photo has a date on it. This one is from last year. This one is from today. This one is from next month. Okay, that is a dream photo.
A dream photo. I like that.
A tense is like that date on the photo. It tells the listener when did this happen.
Oh, so every sentence has a little date stamp on it.
Exactly. Was it before? Is it now? Will it be later? The tense answers that question.
And we only need 3 of these date stamps.
3. 1 for the past, 1 for the present, 1 for the future. That covers your whole life.
My whole life in 3 tenses. That is actually beautiful.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you are enjoying Mabel Daily English, please give this video a like.
Subscribe to our channel. New episodes every week.
And share this with a friend who is learning English. It means so much to us.
Thank you. Okay, 3 tenses. Let's go.
Past, present, future. I am ready.
Tense number 1. I call this one the now tense.
The now tense. For things happening right now?
Not exactly. The now tense is for things that are always true. Your habits, your routines, facts about the world.
Always true. Like what?
Okay, imagine your morning. Close your eyes. Your alarm rings. You get up. You brush your teeth. You make coffee.
Yes, every single morning.
That is simple present. I get up. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. Things you do again and again.
Oh, so it is not just right now, it is every day now.
Exactly. Every day now. That is the now tense, and the rule is very simple.
Tell me the rule.
For I, you, we, they, the verb stays simple. I eat, you sleep, we talk, they work.
I eat, you sleep, we talk, they work. Simple.
But for he, she, it, you add s at the end. She eats, he sleeps, it works.
So just one S. That's the only difference?
Just one s. That tiny s is the whole rule.
I spent years being scared of grammar and the rule is one letter.
One letter. English is not always so hard.
What about facts, like facts about the world?
Great question. Facts are also simple present. The sky is blue. The sun rises every morning. Dogs love walks.
Dogs love walks. Very important fact.
Very important. Okay, let's practice. Tell me about your morning routine. Use simple present.
Okay. I wake up at 7. I drink 1 big glass of water. I check my phone. Bad habit.
Checking the phone, everyone does that.
Then I make breakfast. I eat eggs. I drink coffee. I get dressed. I leave the house.
David, 8 sentences, all simple present, all perfect.
Wow, I just described my whole morning with 1 tense.
That is the power of simple present. 1 tense, your whole daily life.
The now tense. I will never forget that name.
Tense number 2. I call this one the memory tense.
The memory tense, because it is about things that already happened?
Exactly. Finished, done, over. Yesterday, last week, 5 minutes ago. If it is in the past, we use this tense.
So, all my embarrassing memories, simple past?
Yes, all your embarrassing memories, all your happy memories, all your stories.
Okay, I have many stories. How do I make this tense?
For most verbs, you add ed at the end. That is it.
Just ed?
Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Watch becomes watched. Talk becomes talked.
Walked, cooked, watched, talked. Just add ed.
Simple, right? But some verbs are special. We call them irregular verbs.
Oh no, irregular. That word scares me.
Do not be scared. Think of irregular verbs like old friends with nicknames.
Nicknames?
Yes, Go is the real name, but in the past, everyone calls him Went. Go, went.
Haha, Go's nickname is Went. I love that.
Eat becomes ate, have becomes had, see becomes saw, come becomes came, make becomes made.
Go went, eat ate, have had, see saw, come came, make made.
These 6 are the most important ones. Learn these and you can tell almost any story.
Just 6 nicknames. That is not so scary.
Not scary at all. Now, error lab time.
Error lab? What is that?
I say a sentence, but I make a mistake. You find the error. Ready?
Ready. I will find your mistake.
Yesterday, I goed to the supermarket.
Aha! Not goed. Go is irregular. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket.
Haha, spot on. Went, not goed. Well done.
I caught the teacher's mistake. This is the best day.
Okay, let's practice for real. Tell me about your yesterday. Use simple past.
Okay, yesterday I woke up late. I made a big breakfast. I went to the gym. I saw my friend there. We talked for a long time. I came home tired. I ate dinner. I watched a show. I went to bed happy.
Beautiful. 9 sentences. Your whole yesterday in simple past. Beautiful.
The memory tense. Every story I have ever lived. I can tell it now.
Tense number 3. My personal favorite.
Your favorite? Why?
Because this tense is full of hope. I call it the dream tense.
The dream tense. For plans in the future?
Yes, anything that has not happened yet. Tomorrow, next week, next year, someday.
Someday I will be a millionaire. Is that the dream tense?
Perfect example. And the rule is the easiest one yet.
Tell me.
Just add will before the verb. That is it. I will eat. She will come. They will win.
I will eat. She will come. They will win. Just will.
And will never changes. No S, no ED. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. All the same.
Will never changes. It is the most easygoing tense.
Very easygoing. There's also a short form. I will becomes I'll. She will becomes she'll.
I'll eat, she'll come, they'll win. Shorter and faster.
And there's a second way to talk about the future. Going to.
Going to. Like, I am going to eat?
Exactly. I am going to eat. She is going to come. We are going to travel.
What is the difference between will and going to?
Think of it this way. Will is like a window opening suddenly. You see something and you decide right now, oh, I will help you.
A sudden decision right now.
And going to is a door you planned to walk through. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. You decided before.
A plan you already made. Okay, that makes sense.
But honestly, for now, both are fine. People will understand you either way.
Oh, good. I will not worry about it too much.
Okay, you just used will perfectly. Okay, tell me about your tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I am going to go for a run. I will have a healthy breakfast. I am going to study English for 1 hour. And in the evening, I will watch a movie with my friend.
5 sentences. Your whole tomorrow planned out. Excellent.
The dream tense. I can plan anything now. My whole future in English.
Okay, we learned all 3 tenses. Now the fun part.
Oh, what are we doing?
We use all 3 tenses together. 1 topic, 3 time zones.
1 topic, 3 tenses? What is the topic?
Sleep. Everyone sleeps. Everyone has feelings about sleep.
Sleep, my favorite topic. Okay, I will try.
Simple present first. Your sleep habit.
I go to bed at 11 every night. I sleep for 8 hours. I wake up slowly. I need coffee immediately.
I need coffee immediately. So relatable. Now simple past. Last night.
Last night, I went to bed late. I watched a show until midnight. I slept for only 6 hours. I woke up tired.
Oh no, only 6 hours. Poor David. Now simple future. Tonight.
Tonight, I will go to bed early. I am going to turn off my phone. I will sleep for 9 hours. I'm going to wake up feeling amazing.
The dream tense is truly full of dreams.
Past me slept badly. Present me needs coffee. Future me is very optimistic.
3 sentences, 3 tenses, 3 versions of David, all about sleep.
Wow! I told my whole sleep life story with 3 tenses. That is actually incredible.
Okay, I want to give everyone a practice tip.
Yes. How do we practice at home?
Pick 1 topic every day. Any topic. Your pet, your favorite food, your best memory.
And then what?
And then say 1 sentence in each tense. Simple present, simple past, simple future. 3 sentences. That is your daily exercise.
3 sentences a day. That sounds very doable.
Let me show you. Topic, music. Simple present, I listen to music every morning. Simple past, yesterday I discovered a new song. Simple future, tonight I will make a new playlist.
Wow! 3 sentences, my whole music life. Past, present, future.
Okay, Error Lab round 2. Ready?
I am ready. I'll catch you this time too.
Last week I buyed a new jacket.
Not buyed. Buy is irregular. Last week I bought a new jacket.
Brilliant. Bought, not buyed. You are a natural.
I am catching all the mistakes today. This is my tense.
And remember, everyone, mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy.
Messy English is better than no English. Always keep talking.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, 3 tenses. Let's go through them.
Tense 1, simple present, the now tense, for habits, routines, and facts. I eat. She works. It rains.
The things you do every day. Always true.
Tense 2, simple past, the memory tense, for finished actions. I ate. She worked. I went.
All your stories. All your memories.
Tense 3, simple future, the dream tense, for plans and predictions. I will eat. I am going to travel.
Everything's still to come. Full of possibility.
3 tenses, 3 time zones. That is all you need to start speaking English.
Past, present, future. 1 tense for each. Simple and powerful.
Please give this video a like if you learned something today, and subscribe to Mabel Daily English for more lessons just like this one.
And leave us a comment below.
Yes, we have a question for you. Can you write 3 sentences about your day? 1 in simple present, 1 in simple past, 1 in simple future. Try it. We read every comment.
We would love to see your sentences. Show us what you learned.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone.